The world's population is expected to rise to over 9 billion by 2050 and will mainly be concentrated in cities. With the growth of the population and purchasing power, the increase in demand for food is expected to exceed 50% in 30 years. The farther away the producer from the consumer, the greater the carbon footprint of the product and the lower the consumer confidence. 1/3 of all the food produced in the world goes to waste or is thrown away on its path from farm to table. Climate change and man-made ecosystem destruction cause losses of $300 billion each year globally. Biodiversity is declining at an alarming rate, mainly due to unsustainable land use, deforestation, intensive monoculture and urbanization. We must create a sustainable food system to preserve the health of people and planet. It is estimated that food systems designed in line with the SDGs would provide nutritious and affordable food to the world's growing population. Not only would they help restore vital ecosystems, but they could create more than 1.8 trillion euros of new economic value by 2030. What can the business sector do? Problems related to the environmental and social impacts of food will have a significant influence on the world economy over the next 10 years. Our goal is to promote a sustainable, safe and local food production and supply system that ensures a healthy, balanced diet for all, while restoring and preserving biodiversity. With the contribution of nearly 90 civil, scientific and corporate executives and experts, the Business Council for Sustainable Development in Hungary has made 3 recommendations. Companies should establish shorter and more diverse supply chains to strengthen resilience. An action plan should be developed by companies to minimize food waste by increasing efficiency and raising awareness. Companies should manage and invest into the rehabilitation and preservation of biodiversity. The business sector already has solutions. Choose successful business solutions and implement them. Be part of the change.